Up first this evening, rain or shine, Jamaicans are seeing higher prices for agricultural produce. First, the higher prices were being pushed by drought. Now the rains have returned and it too is causing headache for farmers and by extension consumers. TVJ's Kelisha Williams visited Coronation Market in downtown Kingston and now reports.
Wednesday afternoon in Coronation Market, downtown Kingston. It's not crowded, so customers are at ease while shopping. Vendors, on the other hand, wait patiently to see if their prices will entice customers to buy. But many simply asked the price and kept on moving.
Well, I'm seeing like the banana is for $350 or $400. The tomato is for $200. Carrot is for 100 and something. Irish is for $150. So after pass and go where I know I can afford it.
Miss Dimples has been selling in the market for over 40 years. She says she tries to keep her produce affordable, but now she has no choice.
The rain has killed out most the vegetables because it's below the water table. So the water covers everything, like sweet pepper, you have scallion, you have thyme, you have hot pepper, and you have pumpkin. There's a price hike, the price is up on all those things.
She explained that some farm roads have been made impassable after recent heavy rains.
You have pears, you have banana, like things that grow on the tree. Some farmers, they are unable to reach to those food to get them to the market because some of the food they are call it maroon. Road cut off, river separate them from going to the farm or to them field.
This is 1 pound of carrots. I know because I just weighed it. On an average day when the weather is right, this will cost about $30 or sometimes even $40 according to the vendor. But now it's costing $250.
It's very costly, but what I'm saying that we can't eat the money and we need the things for our body, so we have to cut to where we can manage.
But one vendor had a different view. She explained that when the goods are cheap, there's increased competition between vendors, so the price increase is better.
When the thing's cheaper, you see plenty of us have it. And when a person asks you how much a chop on, you tell them the price. Then leave you and go somewhere else because they're looking for cheaper still. And then keep on moving and moving. But like how it's scarce now and it's there, when them stop, by the time them go to come back, it's finished.
Poor weather conditions and its impact on agriculture are not unique to Jamaica. In fact, they are brought on by one of the most pressing issues of our time, climate change. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change report in August 2019, climate change is affecting all 4 pillars of food security: availability, access, price, and stability. It also noted that the impacts will be more severe in low-income countries like Asia, Africa, Latin America, and the Caribbean. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.